people, so this morning now, cause I know from Bobby come on, so I don't really get like the time for make her enough food and enough for her not eat. So this morning now, I make her ackee, saltfish, bacon. I don't know she love her fried dumpling, so yeah, I make her fried dumpling. I already make her some mint tea from morning because she said her belly feel kind of way-ish. She could have pregnant. But yeah, so always I want to try the bacon and ackee and saltfish together, all in one. So I already prepped this boil and already from morning. I have a counter flour. You know, say baking powder that is swelling agent. And you know, add a little butter to it to give that little extra flavor. You have the oil. If you are the British people, you know how they. Yeah, so I do already. So oil are hot. So you cut that fly in. So that one I know how to smoke extra lean bacon actually. And I'm on bacon strips, but I said I'm gonna try that one here. See how it goes. Cause it look good. Yes, so this is it. In the kitchen, Yard Spice kitchen, my kitchen. Yeah, so my door, you have to notice how my door look. Notice? Yeah, perfect door. It starts well already, and then it will look soft instead of them, see that? Yeah, because the stove at a low flame. If you got high flame, it will tough inside the fry area. You can turn it up a little and then constantly spin. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know the strips. I don't know where you're a top chef, you don't know the strips. And you come to a supper, fried dumpling. You have to be careful. It might look simple and very good. Long method, yeah, disaster. Idea disaster. Yes, I'm taking it back on the start ackee and stuff. Yes, yeah, people. Who be there, so many of the bed are lying and the rest of them, so. Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Boxing Day. I did not end off the vlog last night, but we made it home, I don't know, like 7:20 something, so 22 minutes after curfew or whatever, and we just came in and we were beat. We just came in and we went to bed. The edible did not have any effect on me. I didn't eat the whole thing. So yeah, but maybe I'll try it again later. I don't know, I'm nervous. Well, I'm not gonna lie. But baby's here making breakfast. The first people are the first time I cook for me from here coming up. Are the first time I cook for me from here coming up. Are the first time I cook for me from here coming up. That's not enough.
Make fried chicken.
Maybe by the first breakfast. Yeah. So what come home after doing anything? People not supposed to eat breakfast every day.
You breakfast at the Airbnb, you can't breakfast or anything.
Anyways, y'all, I'm still feeling festive. I just keep a fried dumpling. I'm gonna go back and go lie down. My back hurt me. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I don't know what the motive is for today, but I'll catch you guys later. You guys, I'm in love. It's just so perfect on my hand. Like, it's like my new favorite is like so sweet. It's like,
other things, black tea.
Ooh. Okay, I'll be back.
So yeah, people, see there again now. So this now are the salty side there. I'm gonna say the salt thing. I'm showing the fried dumpling done already and ready. So yeah, you know me is a food prep, so food preparation person. So everything prepped already. So you have sweet pepper, comment up. Because when I say down below, comment in the comment who know what going on out there with this, the sweet pepper. People them can't buy government. Break up on the axe, because them something are supposed to pass 500 a pound. I mean you say them must 800 or 1000 a pound, and this to 600 and so. We buy them in advance, so they have sweet pepper, because when it just start to raise it, they reach like $400 a pound, so just buy a pound from them time. So, and it reached 8 now, so. Good thinking, a good thing we did that, so. Yeah, so I said now we have Ackee boil already, as I'm showing you, so. Saltfish pick up. Some people pick up saltfish fine. We don't do that, because saltfish have to stand out in a dish in terms of it have to be visible and rare. So you can pick up some fine and some big. So, and this we have the bacon steak. Yeah. I don't feel like I get crazy like moving and this vlogging thing. So, but I'm not actually crazy long time. So, yeah, this is it, guys. So, you know, Ackee and saltfish pot. So, I'll show you as we start. So, yeah, I kind of set the camera on the beard, me, you know, I'm just a camera friendly like that. So, yeah. So, first, oil. You don't need too much oil because many people at this time, they say Ackee gravy. Ackee is supposed to have excess oil. Ackee don't come with gravy. So, you just need basically enough to salt it and add a little butter. So the butter heat and flavor salt in it. But first, some people actually will season first. Me actually fry my bacon. So the bacon flavor in it and then saltfish and then season last because you don't want to know a crunchy thing, you don't want to season cook out too much and then Ackee last. I wish I could have smelled this piece of syrup. Alright, so then we add the seasonings. We add flavor. Look at the colorfulness of the plate, man. Battery dead pan, you know, peeps, so I never get to see the whole preparation, but this is the finished product. So yeah guys, so yeah people, I remember say yeah guys, so yeah people, but you know, I the guys business. So finished products, so yeah, so I bring it into the owner now. Owner clean, oh god, my wife clean. So I'm going to say hello to the vlogs again.
Hello to the vlogs again.
Your breakfast.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I'm going to make your breakfast. I need to consume and Ray and talk to her, Ray. I'm going to roll up a talk and a fair talk. I do something I'll talk, I don't know. I'd love to know what pushes you to You mind this copyright, you know?
Hey guys! Oh god, the battery I got dead.
I get you.
I hope I didn't bring it. I hope and the other one never charge.
One charge, but the next one never charge. The green one never charge, but the orangish one. Go on, mommy.
So where's the orangish one?
Then on the back part of it, two scammer, two battery night, you know that already?
No, I didn't know two was in there.
Yeah, two charge one, and that's something that is specifically mark the green one. Mark the green one and the dead one. And the next one fully charged and I use them time.
Okay, so we're going to dinner. We're going to Plush Lounge in Portmore. Yeah, I'm gonna save my battery so that we can actually, yeah, exactly, and the ambiance. So I'll be back.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we reached. I can't talk too long because as you can hear the music, so
Some girl from the Gaza,
say hi, babe.
Alright guys, I'm gonna look on the menu and see what we want to consume. I'm gonna figure out what outside. Wait, let me get my outfit.
I'm gonna check out the details.
You go.
Pearl pump pants, pearl pump earrings, pearl pump headband, you know, my glam bag, all the missing pieces, You gotta pay your brand, okay? Yeah, my husband wants to burn.
Third side of them to the ass. Yeah, no, round this, so that's it.
Alright, lock it off. Yeah.
Remember now.
Alright guys, so we're leaving, but that's Plush Bar and Lounge. What lounge? They have the lighting thing that I like, but in terms of review, y'all, alright. Aw, you guys, get you a man who always opens your door for you. Okay? That's all I gotta say. Oh shit, battery's gonna die. I'll give you guys a review when I get home. Bye.
Long distance loving, I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you, I give you